I'm sure you have seen many videos online where you've learned how to replace very good, very hot, very beautiful. But what if I tell you that you can also replace the word very, the word itself very, with ample English words? Very hot. So I'm not going to replace hot here, but I'll be saying extremely hot. Very good. Exceptionally good. Very smart. Incredibly smart. Incredibly smart. Very boring. Terribly boring. Terribly boring. Very beautiful. Remarkably beautiful. Very bad. Utterly bad. Very shocking. Unbelievably shocking. Very crazy. Insanely crazy. I hope you have learned replacing the word very today with lots and lots of words. So please pause my video and note down these words and start employing them in your daily conversations. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more useful content and stay connected with me to learn and grow together. Allah Hafiz.